welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I am Tyler, part-time seller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark.
And it's a little dark in here today.
Yeah, it's always a little bit dark because we do them later and later and later.
Yeah.
We procrastinate, that's what we do.
Yeah, so if it's a little bit dark for you, I'm sorry. We'll try to make sure the next one is a little bit lighter. And today is not my fault. So let's put it in perspective. But anyways, we are doing a haul today. So if you like haul videos, if you like unboxings, if you like what sold, all that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. Post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Give the video a big thumbs up so we know that you like haul videos, and comment down below what the favorite item you see in this haul is. Love to know what you guys would pick up. I'd love to know if you guys think that we're sourcing the right things or if it's something that you probably wouldn't even bother trying. Interesting to know.
So I think there's a couple really good things in here.
There is. This is not my most exciting haul, at least on my end. I feel like I've been sourcing so much that I'm let down by things that normally would have excited me.
She's OD'd on sourcing because she's listing 10 items a day.
Yes.
And so she's a little bit burnt out.
Whew, yeah,
So this was, you found this by yourself today. It's a Cole Haan messenger bag purse.
Yeah, so just plain leather.
Really soft black leather.
I can try to open it up for you guys. It's really nice, really kind of open, nice bag.
You want to carry everything?
Yeah.
It'll do it.
Yeah, I really like this bag. We paid up a little bit for it, but I think somebody will really love this.
A really nice woven detailing on the handle.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Now, we don't normally pick up Cole Haan bags, but I think that one will do really well.
Next is another bag. This is Kate Spade, another black leather bag.
I've not gotten Kate Spade in a very long time. Kate Spade is hit or miss. I love Kate Spade. I have mostly all of my purses are Kate Spade. But yeah, we don't normally grab them. Also, the thrift stores recognize them and are normally priced up.
20, 30 bucks.
Yeah, but this one was actually a really good price. So I am excited to see it go to a new home.
Minnetonkas.
Minnetonkas are a brand I'm still really kind of trialing. I haven't had great luck with it yet, but I know a lot of people love selling it, and they're really cute. I love red.
They're going to take some scrubbing.
Yeah, they'll take a little bit of scrubs, but, you know, I figured, why not? We're only showing one shoe now. Oh, we didn't give the size. My bad. I forgot.
The other one
6.5.
The other one is in the bottom of the bag.
Okay.
These are Sam Edelman.
These are beautiful. They're like a work of art. They're pretty much flawless. There's a little bit of wear on the bottom here, but for the most part,
the heel is perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but there's no damage on the heel, which you always see.
And it says Sam Edelman, New York, which I don't feel like I usually see the words New York, so I don't know if that's a newer line or what that is, but I am searching currently. Oh, the size is 7 medium. So, which is a great size. But yeah, they're beautiful.
Well, the detailing it's like faux snakeskin with zipper.
Yeah. It's
somehow.
Really pretty. It's great. We did pay up again for these a bit. The stores I went to today, unfortunately, are quite high in price, but I feel like they were worth it.
This is Free People.
This is just a Free People mini dress that Tyler insists cannot be a mini dress because the person would be showing their... So
yeah, that's a very mini dress.
So that's this, but it's really cute. I just actually sold a Free People mini dress the other day. I got it last week and sold it within 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
So
it's got a nice little side piece down the side if you want to show even more skin.
Yeah, so it's really cute. I think it'll do well.
So more Sam's.
More Sam's. I have a thing for calf hair. Again, paid up for these.
And also leopard print.
But they're really cute. They're in great condition. So hopefully they do well. These are an 8 medium, which is actually my size. So worst case, I guess I got myself a new pair of shoes.
Worst case, you can wear them.
Yeah.
All right. And this is Alexander Wang. Don't know if it has a size. Somewhere it does, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Just a long, flowy maxi dress.
Yeah, it's a long maxi. I have only found this brand, I think, once or twice before.
One other time. It's the other black dress.
I think there actually was one other time. This is a size small. It is a rayon long dress. But yeah, I mean, it's very, very long, plain black. I think the front is V-neck. Yep, it's V-neck. It is sheer, but I don't know. Alexander Wang is quite a brand, so I figured I couldn't leave it behind.
Or if you did, I'd have yelled at you. This is J. Jill, extra large linen.
Yep. I love selling linen pieces. I get a lot of buyers that come into my closet saying they're specifically looking for just linen clothing. So I try to keep it as stocked as I can.
Yeah.
And J. Jill actually does quite well for me. This is an extra large tall. But yeah, just plain. Just, you know, linen. We're going into spring, so I feel like people are going to start looking for that.
This is going to be...
I think that is Free People.
You are correct. It's new with tags.
But without a size, which I did not know in the store. I saw that it was new with tags. I was really excited about that. But yes, it is missing the size. So I've not listed it yet. Now, granted, I could just put any size on it because Free People does not adhere to anything that makes any
they kind of
size.
say, I'm going to do whatever size.
Yeah, I thought about just putting medium and then putting measurements because, like, who would know? But it's very, very pretty. I feel like it's called the Meadow Lark, if I remember correctly. Yeah, Meadow Lark button down. It's very, very pretty. So if anybody out there wants this, so I don't have to worry about sizing.
It'll fit. It would probably fit me, honestly. So
it's gorgeous.
It's probably a Free People extra small.
Yeah, probably. So.
This is Theory.
Yeah, this is one of those items where we saw it at the thrift store a while ago, but we left it because it was too expensive, and then it came to half tag day, and we're like, okay, we'll take it now. So yeah, I love Theory. The feeling of their clothes is just wonderful. Size large. I can't show you the tag, unfortunately, because it's covered by the price tag. But yeah, the Theory, their clothing just has this great feel to it. So
it's a nice stretchy material.
I love it. And one thing I really love about Theory is they always have style names, so they're pretty easy to look up and easy to search for.
This is more J. Jill, size large. It's kind of like a linen blazer.
Yeah,
top.
It looks like, I don't know if this is a vintage J. Jill label, but it definitely looks like it. You can see that. But yeah, just more linen. Springtime, we're coming for you.
So, getting into more exciting pieces, which you don't seem excited about. These are Tory Burch, size 6 pants.
Okay, but guys, who gets excited about trousers? You know.
Trousers?
Trousers.
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 There's an R there. Mm-hmm. Your Boston is showing.
But here you go. Tory Burch. They are pleated and they are cuffed hem. They are cute. It looks like some other consignment store tried to sell them for $50 and did not succeed. But don't worry, I will succeed.
You sell it. I don't know if you get 50, but you'll get something. J. Jill. The tag is half missing. It's a skirt.
Yeah, so looks like it might be a sizeless situation again. It says something petite, medium petite. It's embroidered, which is why I picked it up. I love the whole embroidered look. It's really cute, and, you know, it was half price, so why not?
This is a foray into t-shirts. So this is
We've been having some fun with t-shirts lately, not gonna lie.
A large. It says Toby Keith. So it's not a concert t-shirt necessarily, it's just a...
It actually is, so I actually Googled it, and it is from a concert. The only downside to this is it's quite small. It says it's a large, but...
That's the smallest large I've ever seen.
It would fit me, and I'm a woman's medium. So I've been noticing that a lot with men's t-shirts, that there's quite a few that are quite small. So I don't know if buyers know that when they're looking, but I've just been adding measurements if I need to.
This is Travis Matthews.
Okay, so this was an experiment, and if any of you guys know anything, first of all, I picked it up because of the feeling. This feels wonderful. Like, I would like to live in this t-shirt. So I picked it up and I was like, okay, well, and I Googled it, and his price point for his clothing items is so high. So I don't know. I'm going to show you the graphic. I tried to look up the graphic and had no luck. So I'm hoping once I can Google image search it, I'll have better luck. But worst case, I mean, I'll wear it. It's so comfortable.
These are Zara. Size
41 EU.
41.
I'll have to look up their size chart to figure out what that translates to, but it's crushed velvet. I have a very big soft spot for crushed velvet.
Bit addicted to.
I left behind crushed velvet today, okay? I did that. But these are beautiful. So I mean, I have no idea if anybody out there wants them, but they needed.
They're in very good shape too.
They really are. So.
More Tory Burch. This is a dress.
Yeah.
Size medium.
Yeah. So this one,
there are a couple
I feel like there was
flaws.
a little flaws. I can't remember what they were.
There's like a tiny little stain on the
Was
front.
there a stain? Yeah. So there was a little mark, and it is sheer, so there probably originally was like something under it. But it's Tory. I couldn't leave it behind. That's the tag there. It's really, really cute, and hopefully we can fix her up so that she's good to go to a new home.
Yes. So these I found.
You did find.
I'm actually on a bit of a tear for this brand. I found 2 in 2 trips.
Yeah, good for you. Look at you go.
Yeah. So this is Mage pants, size 38. The other one was a sweater. I don't know if we've already showed it.
Yeah, it was a blue mohair. I don't remember if it was in our last haul or not. But if you haven't seen it, click on my Poshmark closet, which is linked down below, and you'll see it. It's blue, fuzzy wonderfulness. So
it's wonderfulness? No, it's hideousness. It also happens to be Mage. These are 7s. Yes.
Yes, they're 7s.
It doesn't have a style.
It does not have a style.
They're not dojos.
I believe, if I remember correctly, that we think these might be men's. They say size 32. I'm not 100% sure. But they kind of have, they feel heavy duty like men's. They kind of have a men's look to them, so I'll have to look them up. But they're in great condition. And 7s seem to do pretty well for us. So
I mean, especially dojos. Buy all the dojos.
Oh, dojos are.
All the dojos.
Dojos are my lifeblood.
Yes. So these are more 7. They're Flint. And size.
Next to it.
25.
Okay, so these are a little bit tiny. They're for little people. But look at that butt. Look at it. Who doesn't want their butt to look that good? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just saying.
All right, stop selling. This is Athleta.
Again, no size. I don't know what's
extra
going
small.
on.
How? No.
What? Where does it say extra small?
Right
Oh,
there.
good. I had put it aside because I thought there was no size, but look at that. There is. So there is, however, if I remember correctly, no
Style.
Yeah, so these numbers here sometimes bring up Athleta style numbers and sometimes don't. So if you guys can find it from this, let me know, but Google failed me. But yeah, so it's like a blue V-neck crop
It's almost
sweater.
like the sweater you're wearing right now.
Actually, yeah, look at me. Look at me twinning. Look at that. Wow. I'm twinning.
It's the same
I
sweater.
don't even know what this is.
Uh,
Not Athleta.
no. These are Eileen Fisher, size medium.
I'm telling you, if
Pants.
you're on eBay and you can find Eileen Fisher pants, buy them.
They'll sell for $20, $30.
Yeah, I mean, they're not going to sell for a lot, but they sell like that. I just listed a pair of Eileen Fisher gauze, like see-through pants yesterday, and they sold today while I was outsourcing. So, like, get on that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so size medium. These are the types that I would say I think aren't going to sell because I don't like the feeling of them, but they always sell. So.
They're a nice stretchy material.
And the thrift stores always price these down.
Take that. So this is Cupcakes and Cashmere. Now this is an extra small. It's a trench coat.
Yeah, so this is a brand that we're still kind of trying to learn. We haven't had a lot of luck with it yet. But this kind of reminded me of all the coats that they were wearing at that inauguration for Biden. A little bit shorter than them, but it's got the trench coat vibe. It's really soft and comfortable, and it's got the
flap in the back.
The flap, yeah. So it's got the whole vibe. So I don't know, maybe it's trendy. Figured we'd give it a shot.
Why not? This is Burn and
Oh, so
Mort.
this, I don't even know why this is brought in. So this is really, really old and has been sitting in my death pile forever, but apparently he wanted to bring this in. But we realized that this was not worth anything, so it just got put aside.
So learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, so this is Burn and Mort. If anybody wants it just for like nothing, basically, I can basically give it to you. Maybe you want a bundle and I can just throw it in. But yeah, so what happened with this was there I had no service in the store that day, and the tag looked like something that might be worth something. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a shot, and ended up not being worth anything. So, you know, we have these mistakes too.
And humanizes you a little bit, darling. These are Eileen Fisher size 2 pants.
You know, I think these are vintage. I just really liked the color. And I felt like, you know...
It's almost... I thought they were Pendleton when I grabbed them.
Yeah, they do look like Pendleton, but they are Eileen Fisher. You can see them. Size 2. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I could totally rock these if I was ever going to an office again.
And then St. John, size 6, satin pants.
Satin, guys, they're so
they're
nice.
so soft.
There's the St. John. They are, I mean, you can even tell in the camera, like, they are
shimmery, silky satin, smooth, and it's just...
If you've ever wanted to wear, like, satin, like, bathrobes or something, I feel like this would be even better.
Yeah.
Like, just,
I mean, they're dress pants, but they...
Still.
I
could live in those.
They're so nice.
Well, a size 6 I might be able to fit into.
So, yeah.
But yeah, so we do actually have a few puzzles that we can show you guys. We are still learning them, but you can see what we're picking up and kind of get an idea. These aren't our best puzzles by any means, but this is Thomas Kincaid. It's a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. We are noting that 1,000-piece ones seem to do better than others, and this one is seeming to be sealed, although there is tape here, so I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, it's probably not sealed.
But what we do is we scan them and see if they're worth anything. Most of them that we find are worth around $20. Those are the ones we'll pick up. We do have one that's listed right now that is like super rare, and it's up for $52, and it's the only one up of its kind. So.
And then lastly is a Ravensburger puzzle.
Yep. So we're still learning this as well. Ravensburger. It seems like some of their prints are really, really rare, and some of them aren't. So you just gotta kind of see what people are looking for. So we're figuring it out as we go. Yeah. But that is what we got so far. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Let us know what you guys think, and we'll be back really soon with a new video.
And let us know what your favorite item is. I'd be curious to know if I won or she won.
Oh, gosh.
It's gonna be her. It's always her. Thank you all for watching.